Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can make rolling credits in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create the background color that we want for our rolling credits. So to do that, we're going to come here and we're going to click New Item, and then I'm going to click on Color Matte here. So now I've done that, I'm now going to click OK, and I'm going to have a black background for my text. So I've selected the black color, and then I'm going to click OK. And then you can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to leave it on color matte. And then I'm going to bring my color matte onto the timeline. So as you can see at the minute, this is just a black color matte that we're going to be using for the background. So now I've done that, I'm now going to add the names onto the video as well. So to do that, I'm going to click the text tool down here. And then I'm going to click on the sequence. And then I'm just going to paste in my names. So now I've done that, I'm now going to come to the graphics tab up here and I'm going to click on it. And then in the graphics tab, I'm then going to click edit over here. And then I'm going to click on the text that we just added to the sequence. So I'm going to click here. And that should bring up all these options here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to center the text. And then once I've done that, I'm then going to center the text in the actual sequence itself. And I will center it vertically as well. So now to make the text rolling text, all we're going to do is we're just going to click in the dark area of the text that we created. So I'm just going to click here, and then I'm going to tick the roll box here. So now I've done that, if I now play the video, as you can see the text scrolls by. Now if you want to make the text scroll faster or slower, all you have to do is adjust the length of the clip. So if we make the text clip smaller, and then we play the video, as you can see, it scrolls faster. And then if we make the text clip longer, and then we play the video, as you can see, it scrolls slower. So guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.